more areas where it's just absolutely, it's all down Avonside Drive, the footpath, the road's got cracks. Trucks are here now to actually open the road because the cracks were too big and the road was all closed. But again, you can see the gaps going on down here.
It's not your car, is it, buddy?
No, not mine. Absolutely amazing. Some of the devastation around. Just how much things have moved. You can see here the earth has moved. Absolutely heaps. Another sinkhole. More. I mean, just look at that. Look at that gap. It's phenomenal. This poor fella, his car's completely stuck.